Peace, everyone. Welcome to my live tonight. And I hope you can hear me. And tonight I decided that I am going to be making a raw parfait. I'm going to be making a raw parfait with macadamia nuts and blueberries and strawberries and raspberries because I wanted a dessert tonight to start making more desserts for myself. So I decided I'm going to make a raw dessert. And I mean, you can have this other times of the day too. You don't have to have it as a dessert. You can have it for a snack. You can have it for breakfast. So because it's nuts and fruit. So and some dates. So you can have it different times of the day as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the macadamia nuts, and I have about 4 ounces of macadamia nuts, and I have 5 dates, and I'm going to put it into hopefully my food processor will work for this. This would be my first time trying this raw dish and making it in my food processor, so bear with me, guys. So, I didn't want to use my blender because my blender is taller. So I was like, let me try the food processor. So we'll see how that goes. And, yes, I'm going to take the dates and the macadamia nuts and I'm going to place them in the food processor. And I'm going to leave the blueberries and strawberries last. So when I put it into the glass, and I decided I'm going to use some milk to soften it up. And I'm taking some hemp milk. And I bought this hemp milk from Trader Joe's, but I always recommend you make your own milk. And you can make your own milk by taking about 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds and I think 4 cups of water. I'm not quite sure off the top of my head right now, but I definitely recommend make your own hemp milk at home. And so I'm going to take some hemp milk. Hopefully it'll loosen it up a bit. Let's see what happens. Less is more. I wanted to put a little cacao into it. So let's see what happens when I put a little cacao powder in it. And let's see. And I don't have to worry about sweetening it because I have the dates in there. But if you want to sweeten it more, you can use things like stevia. Stevia is really good. Or if you want to use agave, that's really good too. And remember, less is more. So try out with a little bit at first and then taste it and see if you want more. I usually use recipes as just a foundation of just a base for my ideas, and then I play with them. So I recommend that you do that. And I'm just going to I really don't know how much cacao to use, so I'm just going to this is probably like 1 heaping teaspoon of cacao. I guess I'll just put all of it. And I hope you all are well. And I'm really excited about making this because it will be my first time trying this raw parfait. basically decided to take some banana and put it in with the macadamia nuts and the cacao and the hemp milk, and to make it a little more thicker, because I think that I was supposed to have definitely used the blender instead of a food processor. Let's see. All right, I guess I'll just settle for it for tonight, but I definitely have to experiment more. The glass, and I am going to start layering it. And I'm going to take some berries and a strawberry and raspberries. And I'm just going to start layering it like that. Layering it. And you could take a fruit. You can also take a different fruit. You can mix it with a different kinds of fruit if you want to. Like, you saw I use banana and cacao, but if you want to take like strawberries or um just like mangoes, different fruit, you can mix it with the nut as well to make it into a cream. And oh wow, now you can't see the fruit. I put too much. I wanted you to still see the fruit. Okay, so now we're going to take some more fruit. Okay. I want you guys to see the fruit. I'm going to take some more fruit. See, I want you guys to see the fruit. See the fruit. See the fruit. Take some more. And now I'm going to put some more. And I mean, if you decide to get some vegan whipped cream, that's up to you. I don't need to have the whipped cream, but I know that whipped cream is really fun to have with it. All right, we can still see the fruit. So I'm going to put some more fruit one more time on top, and just maybe top it with just a little bit more of the, of the macadamia nut. Cream. And I guess we'll take I have some coconut flakes. I guess we'll top it with a little bit of coconut flakes. And then we'll also put a little strawberry on the side. Oh, I hope you guys can see it. I'm definitely going to enjoy this. It looks so yummy. I think I did a good job. So again, I used some macadamia nuts. I used some hemp milk, and I used the banana to solidify it a little more, to just give it a little more texture. And then I decided to put it in the blender because I should have used the blender. And then I just start layering it. Once I'm done, and I chose raspberries and blueberries and strawberries and coconut flakes. Oh, and dates. So I used 4 ounces of macadamia nuts, 5 dates, 5 pitted dates. And then I layered it with different fruit. And I used I think I used like a half a cup of hemp milk. and 1 banana. So yeah, but you're going to experiment because it's going to be up to you what texture you want it to be. You're going to realize the things you want to add to it. I mean, have fun with being as nutrient dense as you want. But yeah, but you will experiment and have fun. And so I hope that I brought some joy to your evening today. This definitely went better than I expected. As always, be well, be true to yourself. Take the time to honor the joy that you have in your life. There's a lot of things going on in the world, but remember to come back to what's within you because you are divine and you create your reality that you want in this life. So peace, and until next time, peace divine.